I had a lot of decay in my mouth on both the bottom and the top. I wasn't really happy with my smile. I didn't even like to smile very much. When I came into Dr. Varipapa and he did my exam, he decided that the best treatment for me was to get crowns on the bottom and on the top to get implants. I actually had a 3D scan and I was able to see everything that was going on in my mouth. It's really just a seamless procedure. I experienced no pain at all. Dr. Varipapa is so good with making sure you have no pain during any of the procedures. Since I've had the work done with Dr. Varipapa, it makes me feel like a new person. I look in the mirror every day and I love the results.